Yes, so now we can discuss about five coming technical concepts for software developers to consider. That is, we are discussing. My name is Ganesh and YouTube channel name is See Your Needs. Right now, there are breakthroughs going place that appear to have sprung directly from the pages of science fiction. There is plenty to look forward to in the realm of future technology, whether it be the metaverse, the internet of everything, robots, or some other mind-blowing technologies. Here are some exciting issues for software engineers to think about. Every year, technology progresses at a breakneck rate, bringing new discoveries and game-changing projects to market. Scientists, engineers, and smart minds are working hard at bringing the next piece of futuristic technology that will change our lives. Although it may appear that scientific growth is stable, the previous half century has seen remarkable technological advancement. Right now, there are breakthroughs going place that appear to have sprung directly from the pages of science fiction. There is plenty to look forward to in the realm of future technology, whether it be the metaverse, the internet of everything, robots, or some other mind-blowing technology. Here are some exciting issues for software engineers to think about. This is the information regarding the references that five coming technical concepts of software developers. Wishing you all the best.